Hey guys, it's Adrian from baseanatomy.com. Welcome to this channel where we mainly focus on human and animal anatomy, detail sculpting in ZBrush and Blender. Now this is me just showing you. So I shared a blog post on our YouTube channel showing how our anatomy based meshes could be useful in your production pipeline. This is me just taking the Cheetah anatomy base mesh in ZBrush and converting it into a cat anatomy, like basically a house cat, because the muscle groups are pretty much the same, just skeletal structures, etc., and muscle mass. So it's me just using the grab brush, basically just posing him and giving him the correct proportions, because they don't have the same proportions. So I'm just fixing that. The cats are way smaller and not tall, also they're kind of like short and stuff. So this is the technique. You could probably use this for any similar animal groups like the felines, the canines, etc. You can take our base meshes, because we roughly created almost everything, and we're still continuing creating all these different types of species. So you guys can use it in your pipelines. You can do it just switching to the lowest subdivision and just moving it around, because we have that control. Why I like about this workflow, that is when we go to the highest subdivision, then we are able to retain all those details, those muscle striations. So it's me just posing them and getting all those forms. So I'm not going to be speaking through the entire tutorial, so you guys can just watch along and see the entire process, how I would go about. And again, it also works for birds and any of our anatomy models that we have shared, which have a similar muscle group structure, etc. Hope that makes sense. If you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is where we share all our process, how to create your own anatomy models in ZBrush and Blender. And if you don't have the time or the capacity to create it for yourself, all of these models that you find on our YouTube channel, they are available to download, and some of them are paid. So just check out 3D Anatomy store. You can find our latest models over there, or AS Anatomy, to get these models. Alrighty, let me just play some background music and you guys just follow along with this one. Let's go.